Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the quick setup feature in Correct Accounting, making your first time setup fast and easy. When you launch the Correct application for the first time, the welcome screen will appear. Click on the Quick First Time Setup button. Next, choose one of the 6 pre-configured chart of account sets that best fit your business. If you're unsure, we recommend selecting the basic chart of accounts. After making your selection, click on the Create Accounts button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the chart of accounts has been successfully set up. Click OK to continue. COR will restart and you'll be presented with the activation view. If you're not ready to activate, select Activate Later. Correct Accounting has now created your chart of accounts along with all the necessary finance, payable, and receivable schedules to get you started.